running on 3 hours of sleep, caffeine, and sheer willpower. There was no time to sit in the glam room, so the car is my beauty salon. I just pulled up to work, but I had to get some makeup on this mug before I went in there because I'm so tired and I look tired and I have to be talking to these people. So I gotta look like something. So that's what we got. Real basic. Real natural. Hopefully I don't look too caked up in my face. The sun seems to be hitting right. But it's Friday Eve and I'm so glad about it. The week is over, but not quite yet. Still so many things to do and get done. And we're gonna do just that. So I hope you woke up with a positive attitude, finding a way to get all the things done. Don't be discouraged by so many things that don't matter. And make this the best day yet on purpose. Because you can and you should. How'd I do for a quick beat? All right, y'all be great.